Hey everybody, this is Robert at Complete Truck Body out of Compton, California, bringing you the Dhollandia VO.71. This liftgate features a 71-inch tall platform by 85 inches wide, so this is roughly a little under 6 feet and a little roughly over 7 feet wide. We'll show you how it operates and get to working on it. So we'll come over to our control box. Using our right hand, we'll go ahead and press the activation button, and our left hand will bring the liftgate down and open. And you can see here, I'm going to hold the open button and the down button until the liftgate reaches level. Once it hits level, I'll go ahead and release the open function and have it come straight down. All right, now that it's come down. So now we'll come over here to my Lincoln Electric welding machine. This weighs approximately 280 pounds with the tank. You can see I've deployed the cart stops, and what I'll do is I'll pull my cargo on, and as we can see, the automatic cart stops redeploy. If I wanted them to lock after I rolled over them, I would push this lock back, and then that means when this is brought down, it'll lock into place. Now that we're up here, we'll make sure the load is centered. Now that the load is centered, we can come over here to the side control, standing off, making sure our feet are under here, and making sure that our cargo is secure. We'll press the up switch. And then this is where we would open our door and bring our cargo in. Now that we have our cargo in, we're going to pretend we're offloading. So we'll push it forward until we're onto the platform. And as we can see, if we go too far forward, our cart stop will stop us. We'll turn around, we'll close our door, and then we'll come over here to our side switch again. If you have equipped a hand control, you can use your wireless hand control or your wired hand control to come straight down. Since I'm going to be rolling over these cart stops, I want to make sure that they are deployed to be locked. And I want to lock them into place. And then I will roll off. Now that we've demonstrated how to open the liftgate and bring the liftgate down, we will now bring the liftgate up and stow it. Coming down to our controls and pressing our activation button, pressing up, we'll bring the liftgate up until it meets the red arrow in the case of this liftgate. Once it hits the red arrow, then I'll use my center button and I'll use my up button to activate the auto tilt function. Once it is up all the way, I will release the tilt function and bring it all the way up and close my box. Double checking to make sure that the liftgate is properly stowed. And that has been the Dhollandia VO.71. A reminder that this platform is 71 inches tall and 85 inches wide and has a 2,200 pound weight capacity. For any quotes, please email our office, sales@completetruckbody.com, or call our office at 323-218-0989. I've been Robert with Complete Truck Body. Thank you for watching,